It's Michelle from Gaia's Workshop, and we've got some really exciting new drums that I want to show you. When I first was a tiny little drum maker way back in the dawn of time, a shaman friend of mine from Russia showed me some Russian drums that were ovals, and I have been wanting to make oval drums ever since. I have finally found a source for oval hoops. This particular drum here, this is a pegged reindeer drum with a wooden handle. This has been in my imagination for a really long time, and to have it actually in reality is awesome. Listen to this. And if that weren't good enough, we've got a bigger one. Check this one out. Just don't sit there. Okay, there we go. Reindeer is one of the most incredible hides that we work with. It is so primal and just fills the space. This one also has a wooden handle, and it's made the pegged European style. We have a couple other ones over here. These are horse. This one is a regular pegged horse drum, like our normal ones. It has an antler handle. I'm just going to play this one for you real quick. You hear how you can hear the sounds above and below the main strike on this? Horse is fabulous. And then here is a 24 by 20 oval horse drum, also pegged with the antler. Isn't that sound just amazing? So, also one of the things that we have been making lately is really large drums. This one is a 24-inch 9 Worlds elk drum. The 9 Worlds handle is related to manifestation and 3x3, and also the 9 Worlds of Norse mythology. And I love this drum. And this happy little baby here is one of our non-traditional bodhrans. We're making these bodhrans with horse and deer heads, which gives them a different sound than most bodhrans have. Deer has a much longer sustained tone, so whereas a normal bodhran made from goat has a very sharp sound, the deer gives it a different tone. And it lasts much longer. So if you are a bodhran player and you'd like a little variety in your music, the horse and deer bodhrans are very cool. So that's what's new in the shop. Have a good day.